Imagine if materials discovery could happen not in years, but in months. Full RMC is designed to make that possible. Materials R&D is very slow and fragmented, and scientists struggle with poorly documented tools, steep learning curve, and globally distributed teams with incompatible software, while executives have absolutely no visibility to how their billions are being spent. Full RMC is a cloud-native, desktop and mobile-ready application. It's an AI-powered platform that breaks tool silo, connects scientists and labs, and enables faster, repeatable discoveries, and empowered with agentic AI systems to interact with. I am Bashir e-aoun, PhD in fundamental physics and neutron sciences, and AI executive. I started Full RMC as a solution to a very specific bottleneck, and it quickly grew through word of mouth across universities and national labs. My partner, Teddy, he is a licensed attorney and CPA with 15 years of experience advising multinationals, including Big Four and Fortune 1 in finance. He specializes in mergers and acquisitions, deal structuring, and high ROI executions, turning literally complexity into investor-ready decisions. Teddy and I connected deeply on vision and execution. Together, we decided to make Full RMC the AI backbone of materials R&D. And with your support, we will scale academic traction into enterprise R&D where speed, reuse, and reproducibility deliver outsized impact.